Hello, beautiful seekers of spiritual knowledge. Welcome back to our channel where we share insights on spiritual concepts and the twin flame bond. The concept of twin flames has long captured the hearts and imaginations of those on a spiritual path. It suggests that there is a person out there who mirrors your soul, someone who completes you in ways that transcend ordinary human relationships. This is not just a romantic notion, but a deep, cosmic truth for many who walk the spiritual journey. Twin flames are often seen as two halves of the same soul, separated at the beginning of time and destined to reunite after lifetimes of growth and learning. Before you meet your twin flame, however, there are signs that indicate their existence. These signs serve as reminders that your twin flame is not just an idea, but a reality you are destined to encounter. These signs are not always immediately obvious, but resonate deeply with the soul, offering subtle but undeniable hints that someone extraordinary is waiting for you. In this video, we will reveal 7 undeniable signs that indicate you may have a twin flame out there in the universe, waiting to reunite with you. These signs go beyond the usual markers of romantic relationships, revealing themselves on a soul level. Each sign is a whisper from the universe, guiding you toward your twin flame connection. Let us begin. Number 1. Intuitive awareness in relationships. One of the first signs that you have a twin flame is the persistent sense of intuitive awareness in your relationships. From a young age, you may have had this deep, inexplicable feeling that your romantic connections, no matter how fulfilling or seemingly perfect, are not the end of the road for you. This feeling doesn't come from dissatisfaction with your partners or any lack of love or connection. Instead, it's a subtle awareness that something greater is out there, waiting to unfold. You may have been in relationships where everything looks perfect on the surface. Your partner may love and support you, and you may even feel deeply connected to them. However, there's a quiet knowing deep within you that this is not your final destination. You sense that this relationship is preparing you for something more profound. It's as if your soul is whispering to you, reminding you that the person meant for you on the deepest level hasn't arrived yet. This awareness often grows stronger as you become more attuned to your spiritual path. It's not about rejecting or devaluing the relationships you've had, but rather understanding that each of them serves as a stepping stone toward the ultimate soul connection that awaits you. You may even notice that your relationships tend to have a certain pattern, teaching you lessons about love, self-awareness, and growth. These lessons are preparing you for the twin flame connection, which will be the most intense and transformative relationship of your life. Many people who have a twin flame out there in the universe experience this intuitive awareness long before they meet their counterpart. It's a feeling that lingers in the background, sometimes surfacing in moments of quiet reflection. You may find yourself daydreaming about the kind of love that goes beyond ordinary understanding, a love that mirrors your soul's deepest desires. This intuition can be both comforting and unsettling, as it reminds you that there's someone out there who is perfectly aligned with your soul. As you grow spiritually, this awareness becomes sharper. You may start to feel a sense of anticipation, as though you are being gently nudged toward your twin flame. Your heart knows that there is someone out there who is uniquely yours, and this awareness fuels your journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Number 2, feelings of unexplainable incompleteness. Another profound sign that you have a twin flame is the feeling of unexplainable incompleteness that lingers in the background of your life. This feeling is not about dissatisfaction with your life or a lack of gratitude for what you have. Instead, it's a deep, spiritual knowing that something is missing, a part of your soul that has yet to be reunited with you. This feeling of incompleteness often becomes more pronounced as you grow spiritually, serving as a reminder that your twin flame is out there, waiting to complete the puzzle of your soul. This sense of incompleteness is not about needing someone to make you whole. You are already whole on your own, but the twin flame connection is about reaching a higher level of unity and love that goes beyond the individual. It's the merging of two souls who have journeyed separately, but are destined to come together to fulfill a divine purpose. Until you reunite with your twin flame, there may always be a part of you that feels incomplete, as though you are missing a vital piece of your soul. This feeling of incompleteness often drives you to seek deeper meaning and purpose in your life. It pushes you to explore your spirituality, question your path, and dig into the core of who you are. Many people who have a twin flame out there experience this unexplainable incompleteness as a catalyst for personal growth and spiritual evolution. It serves as a reminder that your twin flame connection is part of a larger divine plan, and that your souls are destined to reunite when the time is right. As you continue on your spiritual journey, this feeling of incompleteness may become more pronounced, especially during moments of solitude or reflection. It's a reminder that your twin flame is out there, waiting to reunite with you, and that your connection is part of a larger cosmic purpose. This feeling is not one of lack, but of anticipation, knowing that when you finally meet your twin flame, the missing piece of your soul will be restored. Number 3, persistent feeling of someone special. Another undeniable sign that you have a twin flame is the persistent feeling that a specific, significant person is waiting for you. This feeling goes beyond the usual fantasies or romantic dreams we all have from time to time. It feels like a deep inner knowing that someone out there is destined to be with you. It's almost as though your soul is holding on to the memory of this person, even if you haven't met them yet in this lifetime. This feeling of someone special manifests in various ways. You may catch yourself daydreaming about a person you've never met, but who feels incredibly familiar. You might even feel their presence at times, as if they are close by, even though you know they are physically distant. It's not just a longing for companionship or a desire for love. It's a recognition of something much deeper. This sensation can feel so real that it's as if your soul is already in communication with theirs, even if you're not consciously aware of it. Many people who are destined to meet their twin flame experience vivid dreams or visions of this person long before they physically encounter them. These dreams are often more than just random images from the subconscious. They carry a feeling of truth, as if they are revealing glimpses of what's to come. You may wake up from these dreams feeling a profound sense of love, connection, or even homesickness, as though you've just visited with someone you've known for eternity. This persistent feeling isn't something you can easily shake off. It stays with you, quietly guiding you toward the person who is meant to be your twin flame. It's as though there's a cosmic force pulling you together, even if you have no idea when or how you will meet. Over time, this feeling may become stronger, as if the universe is preparing you for the moment of reunion. You might notice synchronicities, such as repeatedly seeing certain symbols or numbers that seem to point you in the direction of your twin flame. This sense of someone special often intensifies during periods of spiritual growth. As you evolve, the feeling that your twin flame is out there becomes more pronounced. You may even find yourself naturally letting go of relationships or situations that no longer serve you, as your soul prepares for the profound connection that awaits. This feeling is not one of desperation or neediness. It's a calm, steady knowing that your twin flame exists and that, when the time is right, you will come together. Number 4, soul loneliness and unfulfillment. One of the most telling signs that you have a twin flame is the experience of soul loneliness, even when you're surrounded by love. This type of loneliness goes beyond the physical or emotional. It's a spiritual loneliness that feels like a missing piece of your soul. Despite having meaningful relationships, friendships, and even romantic partnerships, there's a lingering sense of unfulfillment, a yearning for something deeper and more complete. Soul loneliness can be both confusing and painful, especially when you are in a loving relationship with someone who genuinely cares for you. You might feel guilty or conflicted for experiencing this emptiness, thinking that perhaps you're being ungrateful or unrealistic. But this feeling isn't about the people in your life. It's about the absence of your twin flame, the one soul who mirrors you on the deepest level. You may find that no matter how much love or support you receive from others, there's always a part of you that feels incomplete. It's as if you're searching for something that no one else can provide. This is because, on a soul level, you recognize that your twin flame is the one who can truly fulfill this deep longing. They are the other half of your soul, and until you reunite with them, there will always be a sense of something missing. This soul-level unfulfillment often drives you to seek deeper meaning in your life. It pushes you to explore your spirituality, question your purpose, and dig into the core of who you are. Many people who are destined to meet their twin flame find that this feeling of loneliness acts as a catalyst for profound personal growth. It forces you to look inward, to understand your own soul better, and to prepare for the powerful connection that is yet to come. It's important to understand that this soul loneliness doesn't mean you are incomplete without your twin flame. You are whole on your own, but the twin flame connection is about reaching a higher level of unity and love that goes beyond the individual. It's the merging of two souls who have journeyed separately but are destined to come together to fulfill a divine purpose. The feeling of unfulfillment you experience is a reminder that, while you are whole, there is a greater spiritual connection awaiting you. Number 5. Connection to romantic media. A less obvious but equally profound sign that you have a twin flame is your deep connection to romantic media. Whether it's love songs, movies, poetry, or books, these artistic expressions of love seem to speak directly to your soul. You may find yourself moved to tears by a love song, not because it reminds you of a past relationship, but because it resonates with a deeper truth within you. It feels as though the lyrics or the story are reflecting your own emotions, even if you haven't fully experienced them yet. This connection to romantic media isn't about escapism or wishful thinking. It's a soul recognition that the type of love being described in these stories mirrors the love you are meant to experience with your twin flame. You may find yourself gravitating towards certain types of love stories, those that speak of eternal love, soul-deep connections, or destined reunions. These stories resonate with you because they reflect the spiritual journey you are on with your twin flame, even if you haven't met them yet. For some, this connection to romantic media can feel overwhelming at times. You might find yourself getting emotional over a love scene in a movie or a line in a poem that seems to capture the essence of the love you are waiting for. This emotional reaction isn't just about the story. It's about the recognition that your soul is on a similar path. It's as if these artistic expressions are reminding you of the love that is destined for you, even if you haven't experienced it in the physical world yet. You may also notice that certain songs, movies, or books seem to find their way to you at significant moments in your life. These synchronicities are often a sign that the universe is guiding you toward your twin flame. The messages in these pieces of media may feel like gentle nudges from the universe, reminding you that your twin flame is out there and that your reunion is part of a larger cosmic plan. This connection to romantic media often intensifies as you get closer to meeting your twin flame. You might find yourself drawn to stories of soulmates, eternal love, or fated connections, feeling a deep sense of resonance with these themes. These stories serve as reminders that the love you are destined for is not just a fantasy. It's a real spiritual truth that is waiting to unfold in your life. Number 6, stumbling across twin flame material. Another undeniable sign that you have a twin flame is when you begin stumbling across twin flame material seemingly out of nowhere. This can happen in various ways. You might come across articles, videos, books, or social media posts that discuss twin flames, even if you weren't actively searching for this information. It's as if the universe is dropping hints, guiding you toward the understanding that you have a twin flame and that your reunion is part of your spiritual journey. Many people who are destined to meet their twin flame report that they started learning about twin flames long before they even knew what the concept was. You might be casually browsing the internet or reading a book, only to come across the term twin flame and feel an immediate sense of recognition. Even if you don't fully understand what it means at first, there's a part of you that feels drawn to this concept, as if it holds a key to understanding your own spiritual path. This stumbling across twin flame material is not a coincidence. It's a form of divine guidance, a way for the universe to prepare you for the twin flame connection that is coming your way. You may find yourself becoming more and more curious about the topic, wanting to learn everything you can about twin flames and their purpose. This curiosity is a sign that your soul is awakening to the reality of your twin flame and that the time for your reunion may be approaching. As you dive deeper into twin flame material, you may start to notice synchronicities, repeated signs, numbers, or symbols that seem to point you in the direction of your twin flame. These synchronicities are the universe's way of confirming that you are on the right path. They serve as gentle reminders that your twin flame exists and that your spiritual journey is leading you toward them. This phase of stumbling across twin flame material often marks the beginning of a new chapter in your spiritual journey. It's a time of awakening, where you start to see the bigger picture of your soul's purpose and the role your twin flame plays in that purpose. As you learn more about twin flames, you may start to feel a sense of anticipation, as though you are being prepared for a profound connection that will transform your life. Number 7, magnetic pull towards your twin flame. One of the most undeniable signs that you have a twin flame is the feeling of a magnetic pull towards someone you haven't even met yet. This pull is not a physical attraction, but a deep, soul-level connection that draws you toward your twin flame. It's as though there is an invisible force guiding you in their direction, even if you don't know who they are or where they are. This magnetic pull often intensifies as you get closer to meeting your twin flame, creating a sense of anticipation and longing that is hard to ignore. This magnetic pull can manifest in various ways. You might find yourself feeling drawn to certain places, people, or experiences that seem to be leading you toward your twin flame. It's as though your soul is being guided by a higher force, nudging you in the direction of your twin flame without you even realizing it. You may feel a sense of excitement or restlessness, as if you are on the verge of something significant. Many people who are destined to meet their twin flame report feeling a strong sense of destiny or fate in their lives. They may not know exactly what is coming, but they have a deep, intuitive sense that something important is about to happen. This feeling often grows stronger as the twin flame reunion approaches, creating a sense of urgency and excitement. The magnetic pull toward your twin flame is a sign that your souls are already in communication on a spiritual level. Even if you haven't met in the physical world, your souls are reaching out to each other, preparing for the moment of reunion. This pull is a reminder that your twin flame exists and that your connection is real, even if it hasn't yet manifested in the physical realm. As you continue on your spiritual journey, this magnetic pull will likely become stronger and more undeniable. It's a sign that your twin flame is drawing closer and that the time for your reunion is near. This pull serves as a constant reminder that your twin flame is out there, waiting for you, and that your paths will eventually cross. Each of these signs serves as a reminder that your twin flame is not just a distant fantasy, but a cosmic truth waiting to unfold. They point to a deeper spiritual connection that transcends ordinary love, hinting at a bond that is destined to manifest in your life.